writers, I hope you can see my screen. I'm going to walk you through how to fix your settings on your PC if you have Windows 10 so that you are able to view images on your computer that pop up in Canvas. Images are super helpful as we're learning to absorb information through an alternate sensory way. So this is how you do it. From your home page, you're going to go ahead and click on the search tab for Windows 10, which is the search bar on the bottom left. It says type here to search. In that box, you'll type in default app settings and hit enter. The screen that will pop up will show you all your default apps, and you will scroll to the bottom of that page and click on choose default apps by file type. Another screen will pop up that will list all your files, and you will go to the area where you need access. Under associate file types with specific apps, you'll scroll down until you get to the file type that you need to set a default app for. In my case, it was .jpgs, those file types. There's lots of different image file types. There's JPN, .jpgif, .jpeg. Many of them are associated with images, so you have to select each one. On my screen, it's the .jpgs. If I go to that on my list by scrolling down, I will see that there are options for me to select different apps. On mine, it's Paint app or Paint 3D, and I chose the Paint app. If you look at my settings, you can see that I have lots of different Paint apps. I hope this is helpful. Once you change your settings here by choosing your default, you should be able to see those images. Alright, good luck and be well. Please let me know how it goes, if it works for you, or if you need more help. Be well.